everyone, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about question tags or tag question. Question tags or tag question is an important grammar topic where you can score marks easily. There are no tricks, but I can provide you some tips. So please keep watching. First rule that we are going to learn is making question tags by using auxiliary or helping verbs. See, Amit is very smart. In this, is an auxiliary verb. So, after each statement, we will put full stop. So, before making a question tag, after the statement, we must use a comma and take this auxiliary verb over here, is. And you see this sentence. Amit is very smart is a positive sentence. So there is no usage of any negative words like not, none, nobody. These types of words are there means many will come. These types of words are there means it is a negative sentence. But in this sentence, Amit is very smart. In this sentence, there is no usage of negative words. So it is a positive sentence. So positive sentence means negative question tag. Negative sentences means positive question tags you have to make. That is a basic rule that you must know. Amit is very smart. So it is a positive sentence. So we will write not. Amit is not. Instead of this not, we use an apostrophe. Instead of this O, we use an apostrophe and write isn't Amit. Instead of this Amit, we use the personal pronoun he and question mark. Positive sentence, negative, question tag, and take the subject and pronoun, personal pronoun you must use over here. Next one, they are playing outside. They are playing outside. What is the helping verb here? Are. And what type of sentence is this? It's a positive sentence. So, aren't. Already there is a positive. Already there is a personal pronoun. That is why aren't they. Clear? You can do it. This is also an auxiliary verb or a modal verb. It's a modal verb. So what is that? It's can. So you can do it. So what is the auxiliary? What is the question tag? You can do it. Can. You can't. Can't you? What is that? Can't you? That means cannot you. Okay. So, see this. You can do it. You can do it. Can't you? So, we want to confirm it. Can't you do that? We want to confirm it. That is why we are using question tags. We want to confirm whatever we say. See here. She will come. She will come. So, will plus not, will not. So, there is no usage of willn't. So, we use won't. Won't she. So, these are all positive sentences and we made negative question tags. Look at this sentence. I don't need this. I don't need this. Don't is a negative sentence. So, we will make positive question tag. Do I? Do I? Do I? Question mark. You won't tell anyone. You won't tell anyone. Will you? You won't tell anyone. Will you? Clear? Next one. I am never on time. See here. I am never on time. Normally we see there is any usage of no or not. But here the word is never. So I already told you this. No one, none, otherwise nobody, never, all these are negative sentence, negative words. So I am never on time. So what is the meaning of that? That's a negative sentence. See, I am never on time. So am I? Am I? So positive question time. She doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. Does she? Does she? Clear? Next one is statements with main verb. See, look at this sentence. I work hard. There is no usage of auxiliary or helping verbs. Here, main verb work is used here. Main verb work. I work hard. So, in this is a positive sentence that you know. So, what is the tense of this verb? Work. See, it is in present tense. So, you have to, without an auxiliary verb, we can't make a question tag. So, we need an auxiliary verb. So, how to make an auxiliary verb out of this main verb? See, if it is a present tense, we have to use do plus verb V1. V1 means base form of the verb. You can split the word like this. You can split the main verb like this. Do plus V1. Present tense means. Otherwise, does plus V1. Okay. So, I work hard. How will you split? How can you find out an auxiliary out of this? You must know the tense of this verb, that is present tense. See, work as present tense. Do plus base form of the verb work only. That is why do plus work. Do plus work. So we got the auxiliary verb here. Do. You can use here do, and this is a positive sentence. So don't I question mark. He likes ice cream. This is in like is in which tense? It is in present tense. Likes, because he is the subject, that is why likes. Likes does plus like. Does plus like. So, comma, I like, he likes ice cream. Does. It's a positive sentence. That is why doesn't he. Doesn't he. Joe and Jimmy finished their work. Finished. It is in past tense. Finished is finished. The verb is in past tense. That is why if it is a past tense, the verb is in past tense. That means past tense means did plus V1. Did plus V1. Finished. Finished means finished is in past tense. So how can we split? Did plus finish. Did plus finish. So Joe and Jimmy finished the work, comma, didn't or didn't. Anyway, you can pronounce it. Didn't they. Why they? Because two people are here. Understood? She wrote a letter. You know the tense. It is in past tense. She wrote a letter. So what is the base form of this wrote? Write. Second form, wrote. Third form, written. So she wrote a letter. That means, how will you write? Did, didn't, and she, didn't she? Is it clear? Didn't she? So if you get a main verb, you must know the tense of the verb. Accordingly, you split the word and write the question tag. Question tag is a little bit long grammar part. So I divide it as two parts. One part is here. The second part will be uploaded as early as possible. So please keep watching. Thank you for watching.